Staring at a crypto chart and haven't got a clue what it means? TradingView is the go-to charting platform used by millions of traders, and it's actually one of the easiest ways for a complete beginner to start learning how to read and follow the crypto market. Before we get started, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. Let's get into the video. Hello everyone. So if you've ever wanted to get into the place to do it, please do your own due diligence and only invest what you're prepared to lose. So let's have a look at TradingView. We can see that it's got information from all over the world. Yep, indices, stocks, you name it's all here. Community trends, what's happening with commodities, and of course, everyone's favorite, Bitcoin. We can see what's going on in the crypto market. We can see popular ones like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and we can also click on them to see what's going on with them. So here, this will open it up. Now you can look at news, ETFs, markets, derivatives, all that, or you can also view a full chart. Now, what I like to call our candlesticks, we can actually see here, so we can adjust the indicators. This just shows the difference in time intervals. What do I mean by that? So we can see bars, we can see candles. This shows when it was up and when it was down. Some people call it spikes and dips, and we can adjust the candles accordingly. So there are different ways to change this round. We can use columns or we can use the high and low. Some people prefer the Heiken Archie. We can also use the line break here and switch things up. Now we can also set an alert on the watch list. So say I want to keep an eye out and see when that alert comes through. Maybe I want to see when Bitcoin picks up. So this is really handy because it helps you keep everything organized. So here you can just go ahead and set up a watch list, and it makes things very straightforward. You can do it for stocks as well. You can do it for indices too. You can do it for anything here really. So it makes things very easy to manage. And then what you can also do is that it gives us a good way to see everything. But now we can have a look at QuickDive. So what we can do is come to the different charts, the DeFi coins. We've got the highest and lowest performers. I'm going to go ahead, go to markets, then crypto, and then to the market cap charts. And here in the market cap charts, we can also get a breakdown. We can see the locked value, so we can actually see what's happening in the crypto market as well. So if we go to crypto market, we can get an overview. So we can see what's happening with Bitcoin, where its dominance stands, and where all the information is. We can sort of see what's going on with a coin, so it gives us, if you like, a sort of screener for one. We can do the same with Ethereum as well. There are different ways to look at this. We can look at the price, the market cap, and look at the volume. So we've got the market capitalization, the trading volume. We can see the news and everything else. So this is really, really easy to do. And if I want, I can go ahead and open it up in the full chart. So we can see the same things here that we saw with Bitcoin. We can see the fundamentals, the technicals, everything here that we need to. There are pigs. We've got indicators and strategies. I can come up with a script name and I can see all the different chart patterns. We can also go ahead and have a look at the candles and bars, and we can adjust this on the left and right hand side if we want to. Do you feel like you create amazing content, but it's buried by the YouTube algorithm? You want to rank at the top quickly, dominate your lease. Let me introduce you to Yat Ranker and show you how it's done. First up, we'll open an incognito window so our browsing history stays fresh. So we'll set our language to English, our country to the USA, and let's go ahead and search for some terms here. Let's try proxy for you. Here it is. My video's right at the top, and that's because of the strategy. Ready to stop blending in and start leading in your niche? Visit yatranker.net, where visibility meets real results. Let's get back to the video. Now we've also got ways to search for different ones here. We can even take a snapshot in time. And we've also got our watch list here, information about the community, the calendars, the pine, and the screener. So we can go ahead and screen right here. We can use a crypto coin screener right here, and then we can adjust it. So I can do this by volume and sort it ascending or descending. I can also go ahead and open this up so we can see Baby Doge, so I can take a look at the volume. I can sort by volume first, and then I can see what's going on there. And this is very, very helpful here. Now, if I want to add different indicators, I can for coin info. It makes it very, very easy to do that. So I can do a stochastic RSI right here, and then I can have a look at whether it was overbought or oversold. Overbought, oversold, and do that. So it's really, really simple. And we can also set price alerts right here. So say Bitcoin goes up, I can go ahead and set a price alert, and I can also add different filters. So you can add technicals, market data, info, sentiments, and everything here. That's how I'd go about using it. Now, there are plenty more features that we could definitely cover. That's how I'd go ahead and start trading. There's heaps more here, but make sure to adjust the candles and the information. If you want to even explore backtesting, you can use the Pine Editor and Strategy Tester to do that, which is an effective way. You can also create alerts right here. In case we need a specific alert, then we're not going to miss that trade. So it's very, very simple to do. And that is TradingView in a nutshell. That's why I like it so much. It's got heaps of different features you can make use of, and they'll help you become a better trader. You just need to go ahead and get started. And you can do that here. You can simply log in with Google and they've got different plans, or you can just go ahead and sign up. So it's really simple to do. Boom, log in and you're all set. And that's how you can kick off your professional trading journey in just a matter of minutes with the powerful tools on TradingView. And there are heaps more features to explore. We've only just scratched the surface. So get in there, have a look at what you like. Whether it's crypto, stocks, indices, or anything else that's on there. Find the place where you want to trade. You can check out the stock market. You can look at different countries, and you can also see what's happening with futures, stocks, and Forex. It's all available. Now, none of this is financial advice. It's simply a starting point for learning how to read the market. If you want to start following crypto like a pro, click the link in the description to try TradingView for yourself. And that's it for today's video. So, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Peace.